here 4 men and 4 boys can finish a piece of work in 12 days, while 6 men and 15 boys can finish it in 5 days. Find the time taken by one man alone and one boy alone to finish the work. So in this type of question, you have already done in 8th class. So the method is always we will find 1 day's work of one person. So this is the method. So by using this we will frame the equations. So suppose one man alone can do this in X days. One full work he is doing in X days. So in 1 day he will do less work. So here work is one work. So if one man finish one work in X days, so in 1 day he will finish less work, and for less we will divide. So first we are supposing let one man finish the work in X days, and second condition one boy finish the work in Y days. Then one day's work will be 1 upon X, and similarly one boy's 1 day's work will be 1 upon Y. So this is 1 day's work of man, this is 1 day's work of boy. After finding these two, we can frame the equations easily. So this is very important, how to suppose the 1 day's work, how to find out 1 day's work. After finding this, we will do according to the question. 4 men and 4 boys can finish the work in 12 days. So this is 1 day's work of men. How many men? 4 men. So 4 men's work of 1 day. This is 1 day's work of 1 man. So if we will multiply 1 by X by 4, we will get 4 days work of 1 man. We will get 4 days work of, 4 men's work in 1 day. We will get 4 men's work in 1 day. So 4 men's work in 1 day plus, similarly this is 1 day's work. 4 boys are doing the work. So we can find out 4 boys 1 day's work. So 4 into 1 upon Y. And these are finishing in 12 days. So 4 men and 4 boys can finish the work in less time. So it will be, we will divide. So 1 work divided by 12. So we will get 4 into 1 upon X plus 4 into 1 upon Y, because 4 boys is equal to 1 upon 12. This is your first equation. Similarly, we will frame the second equation. Second equation is 6 men. So we will multiply 1 upon X by 6 and 1 upon Y by 15 for 15 boys. And here they are finishing in 5 days. So 1 day's work will be 1 upon 5. So you can see the second equation. According to the second condition, 6 men and 15 boys can finish the work in 5 days. So 6 men's 1 day's work. 1 day work was 1 upon X. So for 6 men, that was for 1 man. So for 6 men, 6 into 1 upon X, so 6 by X. And 1 day's work of boy was 1 upon Y. Here 15 boys are doing the work for. So 1 day's work of 15 boys will be 15 into 1 upon Y. That will give us 15 upon Y. And they were completing the work in 5 days. So 1 day's work of 6 men and 15 boys together will be less. So it will be 1 upon 5. So now this is the second equation. And because X and Y are coming in the denominator, so these are equations reducible to linear. So we will suppose 1 upon X is equal to U, 1 upon Y is equal to V, and after putting these we will get first equation 4U plus 4V is equal to 1 upon 12. Second equation 4U plus 15V is equal to 1 upon 5. After this we will solve these two equations by elimination method, by equating the coefficient method. So for this we can see we are making the coefficient of U equal. Here coefficient of U is 4, here coefficient of U is 6. So LCM of 6 and 4 is 12. So we will make them 12. So multiply first equation by 3. So 3 4s are 12, it will be 12. And this equation we will multiply it by 2, so it will be 12. So coefficient of U will be equal. So third equation multiplied by 3. So 3 4s are 12U, 3 4s are 12V, 3 into 1 upon 12 will give us 1 upon 4. Here second equation, that is equation number 4 multiplied by 2. So 2 6 are 12 plus 2 into 15 30 is equal to 1 upon 5 multiplied by 2. So it will be 2 upon 5. Now coefficient of U and V, U are same but both are of the same sign. so we will subtract, and to subtract we will change the sign. So after changing the sign, these two will be cancelled, and here negative is more, so we will get negative 30 minus 12 minus 18v is equal to minus 3 by 20. This we will simplify after taking LCM. So this will give us value of v is equal to 1 upon 20. So we got the value of v 1 upon 20, and this value of v we can put in any one equation, either in third or in fourth. So here we are putting this value in third equation. So 4u plus 4 into, in place of v we are putting 1 upon 30, 1 upon 120 is equal to 1 by 12. So 4u is equal to 1 upon 12. Here we can cancel, so it will be 1 upon 30, and that will be transferred to other side, so it will be minus 1 upon 30. Here we will take LCM and simplify, so we will get 3 upon 60, and after this we will divide it by 4, so we will get u is equal to 1 upon 80. So now we got the value of u 180 and v 1 upon 20. So u was equal to 1 upon x, so this is equal to 1 upon 80. This, because these two are equal, this will give us vx is equal to 80, and 1 upon y is equal to v, and this is equal to 1 upon 20. So this will give us y is equal to 120. So x is 80 and y is equal to 120. But x was the number of days in which one man can finish alone. So here one man alone can finish the work in 80 days, and y is the number of days in which one boy can finish the work. So y is 120. So a boy alone can finish this work in 120 days. So I hope you can understand. You understood all the methods, and one more possibility is there that I am telling you already. You try to do yourself. So there may be two equations, and the coefficient of x in the first equation and the coefficient of y in the second equation both may be same, or the coefficient of y in first equation and the coefficient of x in the second equation, they may be same. So in that case, what we will do? So in that case, we will add the equations and we will frame the third equation, and after that we will subtract the first and second equation and we will get the fourth equation. So one time we will add the equations, we will get third equation, one time we will subtract the equation and we will get the fourth equation, and after this we will solve third and fourth equations by using any method, by substitution, by equating the coefficient, or by cross multiplication method, and you will be able to get the value of x and y. So that's all for this chapter. I hope you understood it very well. So dear my clients, all the best. God bless you all. Be careful. Take care. Now today I'll give you assignment number 5, and next time I will explain you assignment number 4 after solving. So if there is any doubt in any question in assignment number 4, that you can see in the next video, and I hope you have done all the questions. So please submit, and after that you will get assignment number 5, and please go through these videos carefully. So after going through this you will understand the method, and definitely you will be able to do assignment number 5 and 6. Thank you. All the best. Take care. Thank you.